welcome back to Ghanaian Nomad. How are you guys doing today? Today's video is just a simple video. I just thought, since you're in the UK and you're looking for fish, you want to enjoy fish like you do in Ghana, or if you're from India or any part of the world where fish is very, very expensive, or fish is very, very difficult to process in the UK, this will help you a lot. Like, for example, I fried my fish. After I fried my fish, I put it in the freezer, wrap it with cling film. Then anytime I want to enjoy a good fish with the pepper, I just drop one or two into the pepper, then I just eat. So this video, I'm going to fry the fish. I'm going to use a frying pan. I'm not going to use a deep fryer or air fryer. This is just a simple frying process using the frying pan at the top heat. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. While you're enjoying the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video. Alright. Fish is ready. I just need to get some banku or semolina and some hot pepper and finish this fish. So thank you very much. Please like the video and subscribe.